Hey everybody, it's Eric again. So everything's going okay. The storm wasn't anywhere near as bad as I thought it was going to be. It just has a little bit of rain. So everything's doing good. Just an update. So I'm going to be working on this is the bed frame. My son's old bed. We got him a new one. So I'm going to use some of the wood on this, and I'm going to start building a new, bigger chicken coop for these guys here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on the back and move this thing all the way, away from the fence, and have the coop on the external side, but open up the netting so they can have the whole coop to use as they run, and then just make it a lot bigger for them, more room and more roosting areas as well. I'm going to prep some branches and bars in there for them to roost on outside here as well, and see how that works out. So it's going to be a little bit of ongoing project. Hopefully get it done soon, but it's going to be a little bit because don't make a lot of money, so it's going to make a little bit of stuff here and there as I can, and try to get some pallets when I can, and try to make everything. So it's going to be on the cheap to see how it goes. And also wanted to thank you guys for all the extra views I got, and I will update you guys on my accident in the next couple videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.